MNGO Markets hacker found guilty, faces 20 years in prison. Reuters, Hassan Shittu last updated, April 19, 2024 at 21:40 GMT plus 3 3-minute read. MNGO Markets hacker Avraham Eisenberg convicted of $110 million theft, faces potential 20-year prison sentence. MNGO Markets hacker Avraham Eisenberg was found guilty on Thursday in a Manhattan federal court for orchestrating a scheme that resulted in the theft of approximately $110 million from the Solana-based DeFi platform. Prosecutors argued that Eisenberg orchestrated a complex scheme to exploit the platform, leading to substantial financial losses. Eisenberg, who has been in custody since January 2023, could face a maximum sentence of 20 years in prison. Eisenberg found guilty of commodities fraud and manipulation in MNGO Markets case, as are reported by Reuters on April 18. A federal jury in New York found Eisenberg guilty of commodities fraud, commodities manipulation, and wire fraud in connection with the exploit which involved manipulating MNGO Markets native token $MNGO. The decision followed hours of deliberations after closing arguments on April 17. The trial began on April 9 and lasted a little over a week. Eisenberg was arrested in December 2022 in Puerto Rico, with prosecutors charging him with commodities fraud, market manipulation, and wire fraud. During the closing arguments on April 17, Eisenberg's legal team contended that he had not committed any criminal acts but rather orchestrated a successful and legal trading strategy, resulting in approximately $110 million in gains. In contrast, prosecutors argued that Eisenberg had to lie to facilitate the withdrawal of funds from MNGO Markets, suggesting fraudulent intent. Eisenberg's lawyer, Brian Klein, asserted that his client fully adhered to MNGO Markets smart contracts and withdrew his capital without borrowing. Additionally, Eisenberg returned $67 million worth of cryptocurrency to MNGO Markets following the exploit, claiming he had legally obtained the remainder of the funds. Clay and expressed disappointment at the verdict but affirmed their intention to continue fighting for their client. He stated, "We're obviously disappointed, but we will keep fighting for our client," and indicated plans to file post-trial motions. Convicted in $110 million MNGO Markets exploit case. On October 11, 2022, MNGO Markets was the victim of an attack in which approximately $110 million was drained from its treasury. Shortly after the attack, Avraham Eisenberg came forward as the perpetrator, asserting that the exploit was merely a highly profitable trading strategy and claiming it was conducted within the bounds of legality and the protocol's intended design. According to prosecutors, Eisenberg utilized two accounts to engage in manipulative trading involving futures contracts tied to the values of MNGO's token MNGO and the stablecoin USD coin. Trades purportedly inflated the value of his contracts by 1,300% within 20 minutes, allowing him to borrow against his holdings and withdraw $110 million in various cryptocurrencies. Subsequently, Eisenberg agreed to return $67 million in exchange for other token holders refraining from pursuing legal action or freezing his assets. He was arrested on December 26, 2022 in San Juan, Puerto Rico, where he resided and has remained in custody since then, deemed a flight risk by prosecutors. On January 9, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission (CFTC) supplemented the FBI's charges, levying 2 counts of market manipulation against Eisenberg. The legal ramifications continue to mount for Eisenberg as the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission second filed charges on January 20, alleging violations of anti-fraud and market manipulation provisions of U.S. securities laws. A lawsuit filed by MNGO Labs characterized Eisenberg as a notorious online personality with a history of attacking multiple cryptocurrency platforms and manipulating cryptocurrency markets. Eisenberg's scheduled July 29 sentencing carries a potential maximum sentence of 20 years in prison, although the actual sentence is expected to be less severe. FI's verdict comes shortly after the sentencing of Sam Bankman-Fried, founder of the now-defunct FTX cryptocurrency exchange, to 25 years in prison for embezzling $8 billion from customers, highlighting increasing scrutiny and enforcement within the cryptocurrency industry. Follow us on Google News.